said, I found out about the show probably about a week and a half ago.
Right.
And I'm talking to my homeboy. He was like, yo, bring the band. I said, bring the band to the mall.
To the mall?
He said, we got a show in Discover Mills. He said, bring the band. I said, all right.
Okay.
Ain't no questions. I'm gonna come through. I show up. And I'm like, we in the skate park?
The skate park.
I said, how fucking original. Whose idea was this? And I should have fucking known it was this nigga Kickboard.
Okay.
To put the dog up, throw a concert
In the
on the mall in the skate park.
Man, look here, man.
I should have known.
Hey.
My mind was a little slow. I didn't put two and two together.
Yeah.
It didn't register, and I didn't put it all together until I got here. But I see now.
Now
it
you
makes
see.
perfect sense.
It makes sense.
And watch somebody gonna try to duplicate it and do it.
Oh.
It ain't gonna be done the right way. Just because it ain't gonna be done the right way.
Okay.
Look who you dealing with.
Look who you dealing with, man. That's how we do it. Kickboard King, Kickboard Couture on out. You know what I'm saying? Skate Rock 2K10. Let's get it.
Skate Rock 2K10. Sir Will and the Rose Parade in the building. Boy Sherrod Virtuoso. Oh, we going in today. I'm excited.